Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will share signs a married woman is interested in you or she likes you. Let's jump into video. Before that, please drop a like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Sign number 1, she is around you. If you notice a married woman always being around you, she probably likes you. Perhaps, you make her feel comfortable or happy, and she enjoys your company and wants to spend as much time with you as possible. Sign number 2, she steals glances at you. Women will not generally stare at men if they are not interested in them. If she has been watching you more than someone normally would, it suggests she is interested in you. Why else would her gaze be drawn to you so frequently? Sign number 3, she seeks your help. A woman interested in you will find ways to communicate with you. She will seek your guidance or assistance in even minor matters and then lavishly praise you once her work is completed to boost your ego and get into your good graces. Sign number 4, she exhibits specific body language. Touching her neck, playing with her hair, and biting her lips are a few of the many signs a married woman who likes you would show. She may not express it directly, but her nonverbal cues may indicate how she feels. Sign number 5, she often makes light physical contact. A married woman interested in you will sit close to you. When she speaks to you, she might put her hand softly on your thigh and even punch you playfully. If she is bold, she could hug you a little longer than usual to show her interest in you. Sign number 6, she makes intense eye contact. Direct eye contact can also indicate that a woman has feelings for you. Keep observing her sight to know how she is looking at you, and you can figure out her feelings. Sign number 7, she shows interest in your personal life. Does she inquire about your romantic love life regularly? Know that it's not out of idle curiosity but rather a genuine desire to learn more about you. She's curious about the women in your life to see if you would be interested in her in the future. Sign number 8, she avoids mentioning her personal life. She asks you for many details about your family and friends, but she keeps a tight lip when you ask about her personal life. She stops discussing her husband or children in particular. If you persist, she gives you clues about the unhappiness in her marriage and how she feels neglected and unloved. Sign number 9, she acts grumpy when you are with other women. It is not uncommon for women to be possessive of the men they like. When she sees you with other women, if she likes you, she would be irritated. She might even disrespect women who talk to you or express interest in you. Sign number 10, she laughs hard at every joke. You may enjoy entertaining others with your funny take on life's situations. You realize, though, that you can't be funny all of the time. A woman who is interested in you would laugh at even the most inane of your lines. Does she guffaw at every ostensibly funny line you've said as if you're the funniest guy on the planet? This is her way of showing her interest. Point to consider. If you are unsure about responding to a married woman's signs of interest, hold your horses. Think about all factors before making a move. Please subscribe for second part where I will share my story and what I feel as a married woman. Thank you.